Morning everyone, Tom here from Tech Nexus, and thanks for joining me for a brand new week. I thought we might step back into our plant project for this week, but I'm going to mix it up a little bit with a little bit more advanced steel and maybe a little bit more plant. But for the time being, for today, I'm just going to show you what I've been doing on the project. I've updated a few things. I've come down here in this Area 3 model. I've added in a drain, and I've put the this valve closer to the pump. So again, if it needs to be serviced, we can drain out the process or the liquid or whatever might be happening around here. I've also done the same with the Area 1 pumps. Come around here, I've added some drains, and we can automatically see also if I was to run clash that we're going to get an issue with that valve operator here. So again, I'll have to come back maybe at a later date through the course of model reviews and just either move that up or maybe put an elbow in here and have this drain running horizontally as well. So I've put the check valves hard up against the discharge, but I'm not sort of really a fan of that, so I'm still indecisive of doing that. But I think for process, we might have to put them away from the discharge and put another, maybe a little 4-inch run of pipe in there just to make sure things are nice and neat. And then coming around over here, I haven't really done anything on this vessel. I have tidied up some of these pipe runs a little bit. So we've gone from the pump discharge. So this pump discharge line ends up going into the top of the tank. So I've just stepped it up on each level. So it comes in at the support over here, then moves up to this middle level of this pipe rack, and then ultimately comes across on the support side of this pipe rack, and then up and over and into this tank here. So again, through the course of this modeling, I might put a platform. I might build maybe some ladders or something up the side here, and then maybe do a catwalk from over here to this nozzle if we need to. I've also adjusted this pipe rack here, so I've made the actual pipe levels 1 meter lower than this run. So what's going to happen is, as you come across this north-south rack, then you'll either go up or down depending on which level you are. So and also you're not going to interfere with any change of directions in here as well. So you can see that this pipe run here, coming from our tall vessel here, comes across, drops down to the level, follows that level until it gets to this east-west rack, and then drops down again. So again, we've always got a falling kind of run here as well. So at some point, if we end up with high points or low points, we're going to need to put vents and drains in here, which is what I'm going to have to do over here. I might have to put a little bit of a vent over here just in case, for any reason we might end up with air pockets as well. Also around here, around Area 2, I've cleaned up this area as well. So same thing, I've put in some drains on the pump suction lines, and again I've got the check valves there, but I might, like I did with Area 1, just have a play and put a flange spool in there just to make things a bit nicer and neater. You'll also note I haven't really bothered too much with applying some materials yet, so I'm still in that work in progress. And I also need to do a structure for this reboiler here, so that's probably going to be one of my projects for this week, is just build up an advanced steel structure. So I'm going to do that from scratch in advanced steel and then link it into Plant3D, and I'll go through all of that workflow with you. So that's where we're at with the plant project. Keep following me this week. We'll do some more updates on plant, and I'll also go through advanced steel, and then maybe at the end of the week we might do a bit of a clash and maybe do maybe an animation, or maybe have a play with timeliner on this project for Friday's video. So thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. Please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified daily of all of my videos. Thanks for watching.